What's up, everybody? Frank here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the Amazon Fire Stick. I'm going to show you how to add KODI into your Fire Stick, and I'm going to show you how to add a specific build to your Fire Stick. So you have your free live TV, your free TV shows, your free movies, free live TV, and everything that comes with it. So I'm going to show you multiple steps. It's going to take less than 10 minutes to get this build onto your system, so make sure you pay attention. Now this screen you're looking at, if you just bought your Fire Stick just today, it'll start off asking you for information about your Wi-Fi and if you have an account. So make sure you create an account and put your Wi-Fi information in. After you create an account, it may ask you for a credit card or debit card. You may have to link it to your account. It won't charge you anything. You just have to have it on file. So make sure you do that. And then once you get to this screen, what you want to do is you want to click no thanks. Everything is self-explanatory up until that point. That's why I showed this screen. Everything else is just putting in your information and stuff like that. So once you get to this screen, it's going to bring you to the main menu of the Fire Stick. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment if you have any questions. Alright, if also you want security on your system, make sure to check out the VPN in the description. Check it out, view it, see if you want on your system to block any security or anybody from messing with you while you're watching your shows. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is come over to the right, all the way to settings. Next you want to do is come down, scroll to the right, and click on device. Once you do that, you want to come down to developer options and click on that. And next you want to click on ADB debugging, turn it on, and then you want to click on apps from unknown sources and turn it on as well. It's going to prompt you with the screen, hit turn on. Alright, if it's the Amazon Fire TV, it'll have one more selection and you turn that on as well. Everything should be on this screen. Alright, so once you do that, you want to hit back again, and then you want to go all the way to the main menu again, where it says home at the top left. So as you can see to the left of home, it has a search box, and what we're looking for, we're going to type in downloader. You can either spell it out, or you can hold the voice on your remote, downloader, and it should automatically take you to downloader. Or you can just spell out the word just like that. The app looks like that little green arrow pointing down. So we're going to click on downloader, and it's going to bring us to the screen, and we're going to download it. So if you didn't add your credit card to the card, it's not going to let you download it, even though it's free, you know. But if it doesn't have anything linked to your name, it won't let you download it most of the time. All right, so once that finishes, we're going to click on open, and this is where we're going to type in, or we're going to hit OK. And now we're going to type in the URL for KODI to get KODI onto this Fire Stick. So what we want to type in, it's already out there for us, http:// oops, let me bring up the screen. Alright, so make sure you're typing in just like that, 17.6, KODI 17.6. What we're going to do is hit go, or hit the play button, and then it's going to start downloading automatically. Very simple. The file should be 86.8, and people use ES Explorer as well, either one. Downloader is much easier and simpler because it automatically downloads the latest version of KODI, and that's what we want. Alright, so that's very, very easy. And then we're going to hit install at the bottom right, hit install. So now we're installing KODI. This couldn't be any easier. So make sure, if you're at this point, you're doing well. The hardest part has passed. So follow along, pause the video anywhere that you need to, so you don't make any mistakes. When you start making mistakes, it starts getting frustrating and you just want to give up. So everything I'm doing, you should be doing the same thing. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to click on open. And then we should be at this screen right here, KODI 17.6, preparing the first run, please wait. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to install a build to your KODI 17.6. First thing you want to do is come up here to the top left hand side of your screen, click on the settings screw. Next you want to come over here to system settings and click on that. You want to come down to add-ons, and you want to come over here and turn on show notifications. Also you want to turn on unknown sources. It's going to prompt you with a warning, hit yes. Both of these should be white on the right hand side and should say install updates automatically. Hit back, come down to File Manager, click on Add Source, click on None. http://cellulartv.com/repo. And we're going to install the Infusion build. I know everybody used to use Infusion back in the day, so we're going to show you how to install it. So we're going to give it a name, .infusion, or something short, .i, .n, anything. It's just a name. So make sure this is typed out correctly, okay? Click OK. Double click on the Infusion. Make sure we did it right. We should get this right here. All right, we're going to hit back. Hit back again. Come down here to Add-ons. Click on Add-ons. Then come over here to Installation box on the top left-hand side of your screen. Click on that. Come down to Install from Zip File. Come over here to Infusion. If you put a period in front, it's going to be at the top. If you didn't, it's going to be in alphabetical order. Click Infusion. Next, we're going to click on Repository CD Repo. We're going to give it time to load up. It may take no time at all. All right, so we're going to come down to Install from Repository. We're going to click on Cellular Repo. We're going to click on Program Add-ons. And then we're going to look for Cellular TV Wizard right here. All right, we're going to click on that. This is going to bring us to the screen right here. And we're going to click on Install. It's the only button that we can click on. Click on that. Then we're going to give it time. It took no time at all again. It may automatically pop up this screen. Hit Dismiss. Hit Continue. And then go to Build Menu. All right, it's going to automatically take us there. Okay. So we have two different builds, but regardless, if you get one, you should have the other one inside. It's usually a 2-for-1 deal. All right, so we're going to just go ahead and click on the top one that says Infusion version 2.3. If the version is different, that's fine. No trouble. It's just the same thing. Just update it or whatever. So click on, click on the first one at the top. And then we're going to click on Fresh Install. CDTV Fresh Install. And then click on Continue. All right, it's going to load up. Maybe it'll take a while. I have a lot of stuff running on my system. I'm going to click on another server. That one's going a little slow for me. So I'm going to click on server 2. Fresh install. Continue. And server 3. I think we have a winner. All right, so I tried server 1 and server 2. They both went slow as heck, and I clicked on server 3, and it's taking less than 30 seconds. So if one is going extremely slow, depending on your internet, I know my internet, so I knew that was extremely slow for me, so I just chose another one. And then once it finishes downloading, we're going to hit force close. And what we're going to do is open KODI right back out. Now, if you hit force close and it doesn't work, just unplug your Fire Stick and plug it back in. It'll work just as fine. It just needs to reset. Now, this is Infusion. This is a very popular build. Once you get it to install, once you get it open back up, give it like 2 to 3 minutes to install everything, add all the updates and everything. So give it some time before you start using it. At the top, you can see it's doing different things. It's going to start adding on updating and stuff like that. But as you can see, the layout's pretty nice, pretty straightforward. Got movies at the bottom, TV shows. We got the widgets in the middle that you automatically go straight to the show. Usually the widgets will choose the best add-on to watch your show with, so you don't have to look for it yourself. We got Kids Zone as well. It's still loading, so it's not going to change that fast. Bear with. Anyways, we got music session, got an app section, system, TV Pro. I'm trying to wait. But anyways, like I said, check out that VPN if you haven't already. There's a VPN to put security on your IP address and all the stuff that you're watching and streaming. You should get it. Check it out. There's multiple different VPNs you can check out in the description. They all work very nicely. Just choose whichever one you like. Get your streaming protected. All right. Almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to watch TV shows. So I'm gonna click on TV shows, or I'm gonna show you how to use the top at the top. So I'm gonna click on Game of Thrones at the widget. It's gonna automatically take me straight to Game of Thrones. All right. So it should be showing the builds right here, but like I said, it's still loading the add-ons. As you see me moving left and right. But first, okay, it's loaded. Okay, now let's go. Let's pick a season first. You just go down, pick a season, season 4. All right. There we go. Now you see all these add-ons right here. You can choose the add-on or you can click play. Now if you click, no, sorry, you got to click episode first. Let me choose an episode. Episode 3 again. All right, now if you choose play, it should automatically choose. It's gonna bring up a list of all the add-ons or add-ons that you could choose from. Let's see again. All right, so I just scrolled up and click on Alliance. Now it's picking up all the providers for me. And then to watch the show, all you do is click on one of the providers. But it's still loading the better resolution ones at the top, 720, 720 DVD. All you would do is want to click on it. That's how it takes to watch a TV show. I'm gonna show you how to watch a movie. Like I said, this is straightforward. You can go into movies if you want. And then if you scroll to the left of your screen, then you can change the type of movie that you're looking for. You can go by release date. You can go by vote count, average time, revenue, popularity. So that's popularity. Now if I was to click on the movie, Shape of Water, all I do is click on Alliance. It's going to load up all the providers for us. We got a lot of 1080p's and stuff like that. 82% done. And then we just click on the one at the top usually. Click cancel. It's going to go to the next provider because that one wants to give us a little trouble. Anytime now. Sometimes if it don't work, it's gonna just keep searching for the next best one for you. As you can see at the top right, it says it's working. Easy build, and it's working for KODI 17.6. Also check out Terrarium. It's in my, if you go to my channel, it'll show you Terrarium, which is another app to watch TV shows and movies. You can have KODI and Terrarium, so I always keep both, so you should do the same. Now if you go to system, you can mess around with a few things. You want to play with some stuff and see how everything works. Adult add-ons, Plex, power if you want to turn it off, skin settings if you want to change multiple things, weather, everything down here on the system. Apps, you can see what apps come with it. You got Terrarium, but you can download Terrarium completely separate, and it works way better. So you can see what all the add-ons that come with the build, which is pretty good. Placenta works, of course, one of my favorite add-ons right now. So you can go to your TV shows and movies just like that. Like that. All right. So, like I said, you can go to TV shows just like that. Click on movies, same thing. You can go by year, genre, whatever you want to go to. And you can find your movies just that simple as well. So there's multiple ways you can watch it with this build. It makes it a lot easier than before. So we're going to load all the movies in 2016. What was the best movie in 2016? Suicide Squad was pretty good. Click on it. It's going to start loading all the providers. It's going to give us 1080p, 720. So good resolution. Have yet to see a 4K movie, but, you know, to each his own. Hit cancel, so it'll load up all the ones already. And you just click the one at the top. And it's gonna, you see it went to the second one, popcorn. Sometimes it skips. If it's not gonna work, it's just gonna skip and go to the next one. Very simple. And then it'll start working at the top. And then you'll be good to go. It's gonna take a little extra time to make sure everything's properly done. You see this play sign, it should play. Sometimes it takes a little time. Add KODI 17.6, how to download, install the build, how to jailbreak whatever device you use, and everything all in one. Get your free TV shows, movies. Like I said, check out Terrarium as well. You can add them both to your device. Have both of them, and you'll never have any trouble. All right, make sure you check out the VPN in the link in the description. Check it out. Look at them. There's multiple different ones. They're very, very cheap. Protect yourself, and I don't know what internet provider you have, but you need your own privacy for everything that you're doing online. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video, and I'll see you all again soon. Have a blessed day. Enjoy your day.